Hi guys, welcome to this video about the Folex. That's a professional carpet spot remover, at least they say that. And yeah, it comes with a nice description or nice promises. They say it should be able to quickly remove pet accidents, grease, oils, blood, red wine, blah blah blah, and so on. That's really a lot, and it says it's even non-toxic, odor-free, petroleum-free, safe to use around children and pets, and so on. And we have here a general direction. Yeah, it should. It seems to be really easy. So you just spray on the spot. You rub a little bit with your fingers, and then dry it with a cloth or something like that, with a towel. And yeah, that's basically it. You don't even have to wait like 10 minutes or so. It should actually work more or less instantly, and it's cheap. I mean, it's a big bottle. It's I think that's around 1 liter, 34 ounces, and it costs only about $10. Here I bought it from Bed Bath and Beyond. You can buy it at about same price at Amazon. Yeah, so you don't even have to drive there. And I'll put down the link into the description. So if it works, you can order it right from there with this link. So let's try this now on this spot. That's a really ugly spot. Hope I can focus on that. That's not even from me. We are just renting here, and I didn't notice the thing, and I just put, when we moved in, I just put this container. I rolled on it on top of that, and I don't know why I didn't notice that. And when I removed the container, it appeared that it has such a stain. I don't know, maybe the previous owner put something on that which was hiding a little bit this dirt. I don't know. I've checked the container. There's nothing underneath. There's no mold, no rust, no nothing. There was no liquid. So it must have been from the previous owner, and we have a lot of these stains which we have to remove now. And the previous owner had some animals, and we don't have animals. So I guess for me it looks like that was something from an animal, and so I will try this now here. So the only thing, what they say, you should test it on an area before you use it, like on an area here which is good visible. You should use it on an area which is not so good visible. So here I have this area underneath the curtains. So I remove the curtains, and I will use it here. So I've been shaking the bottle a little bit, which is always a good thing, but they didn't write about that. I guess it's not necessary. And yeah, what I've checked, the nozzle, it has 4 sides. 2 say stop, like the top says now stop here, or off, and same here. And on one side it says stream, and on the other side it says spray. So we'll try that out, what difference it is. So we'll remove that, and I think here we have also a very small area. I hope you can see that. I'll focus a little bit. I'll zoom in here so you can see this, and I'll rotate it. So the top of the nozzle now says stream. So let's see what stream means. Yeah, that's straight. So I'll turn that 180 degrees. So now on top of the nozzle it says spray. So I like that more. Yeah, I suggest to use this spray thing. So as you can see, I did that a little bit, and because yeah, I didn't know, or I don't know what kind of stain it is, I'm using like this, some kind of medical glove which you can buy everywhere, and so I'm rubbing now a little bit on that. This is the hidden area actually. This is not the area with the main spot. Okay, doesn't look too bad. Now trying to dry it a little bit. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Color is still the same. I mean, actually it does not even have a color in my case, because it's some kind of off-white, or a little bit of beige, but you can definitely say that this thing is gone here, this stain. So I will do that now on my bigger stain. So I guess usually that would be quite a challenge to get rid of. I have no clue if we can get rid of that. That's really heavy stuff. So because the video started to get a little bit lengthy, I decided to fast forward this part where I'm cleaning, spraying, I'm rubbing, spraying, and so on and so on. Long time, also a little bit of drying, then again spraying, and so on and so on. I really spent a lot of time on that, and I used a lot of this cleaning liquid. So yeah, I had to dry it for quite some time after that. So this is what we see on the next day. The spot on the carpet completely dried. Yeah, that was I was using yesterday this Folex professional carpet spot remover, and this is how it looks today. As you can see, everything gone. Oops, no, not so much. Everything is there. I mean, it looks a little bit better when we compare maybe to this spot we just left here. It improved a little bit, or we just distributed the dirt almost evenly everywhere. So did it help? I would say a little bit, maybe I would say about same. Same at the same level as you would if you would use like mild soap water, which costs basically maybe 10 cents, something like that, maybe 20 cents. This thing was $10. I think it's almost everywhere. It's $10. You can buy it on Amazon for $10. You can produce probably the same for about the whole bottle for 50 cents with normal mild soap. So from my side, definitely no recommendation. I mean, I would like to sell you this thing if it would do magic cleaning, but it didn't do that in my case, obviously. Here on the other side, I have done it also with mild soap water, and it cleaned at least to this level or even better. So it didn't do more than normal mild soap water. Waste of money, waste of time, waste of everything. So either you use something really strong, or you just take mild soap water, and then at least you will be able to save some money. So when you see some videos about magically removing stains from the carpet, that's of course no lie, but they in this case they just had really great like a good quality carpet. When you buy a new good quality carpets these days, they have some protection built in, so it takes quite some time for fluids to really soak in, like even red wine, something like that. So if you're fast enough, you can easily remove even red wine from a new carpet. You don't need something like that. Just dry it up normal, and then maybe do a little bit of cleaning with a soft sponge additionally, and you will get same results as this expensive thing. I mean, it's not super expensive, but it's still waste of money, waste of time. So what I will do, I mean, that needs a lot of effort to clean. Probably, I don't know what it is. It's the guy who lived here before. He left this thing, probably was from his dog or cat. So really nice. Luckily it doesn't smell anymore, but it's a pain. I don't need that to clean up dirt from other people, but yeah, unfortunately I didn't see that when I moved in. So I will probably use a modern sponge. I mean, you can use an old style sponge, but you can use something like that. I've been using such things for years. Yes, for a surprise, a lot of people seem not to be aware that something like that exists, which is really way advanced to a normal sponge. This has way more, like a water suction capability. This is a complete different thing. So I will need probably 2 buckets, one with mild warm soap water, and then I will clean everything and suck it in. If you rinse, I mean, if you squeeze out every water, you can put it after that and push it down, and it's incredible how much water it will suck in. It's way advanced to any normal sponge. So I will try that in a different video and let you know how it will work. So again, no recommendation for this thing. So I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about the thing. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.